Need to update your delivery or billing address in the Tesco app? It's now easier than ever. In this section, we'll show you how to quickly change both your delivery and billing addresses directly within the app. As of recent updates in early 2025, Tesco has streamlined this process, making it user-friendly and efficient. First, we'll cover delivery address updates, which involve navigating to the My Account section and then delivery addresses. You can add, edit, or switch between multiple addresses in under 2 minutes. For billing address updates, the app now syncs with Tesco Bank services, allowing instant changes using biometric verification on compatible devices. We'll walk you through both processes step by step to ensure smooth and accurate updates. Tesco's address management system includes several key features that enhance user experience and security. Addresses must include a postcode, street name, and house number for accurate geolocation. The app uses GPS to suggest correct addresses and flags any potential mismatches. Since Q2 2025, two-factor authentication, 2FA, has been implemented for address changes to enhance security following a minor data breach incident. To ensure your updates are correctly applied, always verify that all details are accurate before saving. Remember that changes will automatically update for club card points and subscription boxes. Plus, keep an eye out for AI-driven features that predict address suggestions based on your user behavior, making the process even faster and smarter.